Stevie, look, that's Scooby-Doo. You think I brought some quarters? I always leave with the, this is only a quarter. This is weird, though. What if it just goes all the way down? Is it accepting quarters? Oh, it took an hour, but there's my ball. I'm so paranoid with the new machines. Look at that. See that? It took... You know how many people died and were born in that time it did that? This is the one neat. I need to get, Dad, and I could play with it for hours in my room. See, I don't remember these Heidi in 08 when we came with Rick, but I wasn't doing... Oh, wait, when Ricky came out, that was in the prime or end or peak of my blast playing days, but... Scooby-Doo or Shrek, Stevie? Which one should I play, Scooby-Doo or Shrek? Scooby. I didn't say act like one of them and you pick Shrek. Just kidding. And I'll reveal it. Who wants to open this for me in this building? I need to go back anyway and get my pictures of them. I don't know. I want to say that one used to be at Howard's.
Huh?
I should scout, see if there's any more. Hold that, Stevie. I'm gonna unbox it. Hold it. Hold it on the side. I'm gonna unbox it. Not that way, on the side. I'm gonna unbox it. Hold it on the side. Or you open it. You wanna open it?
No.
Go like this. Oh, there you go. Nice work.
That's funny.
See? See, Heidi?
Mm.
Playing the rubber duck machine. I won't win first try, but it's okay. I won the president or something. Ricky's falling with style. Yeah. Ricky is falling with style, right, Joe? Good thing I brought some quarters. Yeah. I didn't come for bears. I don't have those there. Oh, prepared. Okay, I can't hear you. Okay, this reminds me of the one they had at Howard's.
Oh, yeah?
I got Princess Fiona.